everyone. I just wanted to make a quick video to show you how you can find basically the error that you're experiencing with Intacct and with the Intacct export workflow and the solution to that error. So ServiceTitan provides a really nice Intacct integration error messages page inside of the knowledge base. So basically what you can do here is they have gone through and they have listed every common Intacct error that you might get. And the cool thing about this is not only did they do that, but they also provided a cause for why this is happening and what needs to happen to fix it. So in your situation, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and search for not able to create document record. And we're going to go through and we're going to see that it came up with several options that have that in the issue. But what I typically do is I then just read through each of them, and as you can see here, here's what you're running into. So your blank transaction definition is configured to affect AR. However, no GL accounts were found in the AR GL information tab for that item ID in that warehouse. So it could not create the document record. So basically all you have to do is go into Intacct and basically follow these instructions and then re-export that invoice, and it should go through without a hitch. This works the same way for all different types of Intacct errors that you might run into.